Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika Dang and today I'm going to take you through the juicer mixer grinder. Yes, just like the name suggests, this fabulous all-in-one device skillfully completes the functions of all three. You can now juice, mix, blend and grind your fruits and vegetables in one highly efficient device. Let's take you through the technical specifications of this absolute essential. Now, wattage is basically the power of the motor of your juicer mixer grinder. The higher the wattage, the more powerful is your machine. You may ask, why do you need a powerful motor just to take out juice? Well, the more powerful your motor, the bigger the load of fruits and vegetables you can grind, juice and blend. The optimum wattage to look out for in your home juicer mixer grinder is between 550 and 600 watts. This kind of power is ideal for the typical Indian family meal requirements. Once you cross 500 watts, because of all that extra power coming into your JMG, it is going to start getting noisier. However, to blend and grind your dals in a large batch, you will need a JMG that has a 600 watt machine. Do you need even a bigger load of dal to grind for that South Indian breakfast party that you're throwing? Well, the 750 to 1000 watt commercial grinder can grind 2 liters of dal or rice in one go without breaking a sweat. Now that we've taken care of the power, let's move on to the speed of your blades, because that is what is going to define how finely your food has been juiced, blended or ground. The higher the RPM or rotations per minute, the more the better and the faster your food gets blended. However, with a higher RPM, as with a higher wattage, your JMG will heat up quickly and be noisier than slightly slower and less powerful machines. Therefore, while a high wattage and high RPM may feel like the superior choice because of their efficiency, eventually the life of your JMG is going to reduce due to extreme heat generation and activity. The usual speed at which blades rotate is 15,000 RPM. Let's look at what you can do with this JMG. You have the option of dry grinding, which is ideal for grinding all your spices or grating coconut. Next, we have wet grinding, which is great for pureeing tomatoes or anything else you want to puree. And then, of course, essential in every Indian kitchen, a chutney grinder. Great for our staples, coriander, mint or tomato. Apart from all of this, we have the juicer, which pours out smooth juice from any fruit of your choice. This fantastic device also gives you the option of mincing meat or vegetables. You don't have to go to Lucknow anymore for those fabulous tunde kebabs. Just mince the meat to perfection in your kitchen and have any of your favorite mouth-watering dishes. We also have a chopping option which eases up your daily exercise of chopping onion, ginger, garlic or any vegetable for your meals. And for all of those health freaks, there's a blending option. This helps you make your shakes and smoothies to perfection and quickly so. The juicer mixer grinder comes in different combinations. With a 3-jar combination, you get a liquidizing, grinding and chutney jar. With a 4-jar combination, add a juicer jar to that list. And finally, with the 5-jar option, you get a juicing, grinding, blending, chutney and multi-purpose jar. All your needs are taken care of in this one device. If you want 1 jar, you get the juicing jar. And if you need 2 jars, there's the option of the liquidizing and grinding jar. All of these jars come in stainless steel or food-grade polycarbonate, making them safe and healthy for your food. Different number of blades specific to different functions come with this juicer mixer grinder. There's an auto switch off feature, just in case you get distracted and leave it running or you run it for too long. This feature automatically switches off, thus saving your machine and motor from burnout. The locking system ensures that there's no spillage, so you aren't splattered with your food while blending it. To further safeguard against any kind of leakage or spillage, this JMG comes with anti-skid feet. The speed setting gives you greater control over how your food is being juiced, blended or ground. Well then, what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family right away and enjoy quick delivery, hassle-free installation and assured brand warranty. That's all from me. Have a perfect bye.